We had a pretty bad storm last night, so we're thinking that this little bird fell out of his nest. I'm not gonna mess with him because there's all kinds of birds around here, which you can hear. So I'm hoping that somebody will come for him. I've only let one cat outside, so he's got to go back in, even though I don't think he has any idea. Yeah, he has no idea there's a bird there. He's not our hunter anyways, he's the lazy one. But hopefully nothing will get him and his mom will maybe come back. So there's another one. So now I'm thinking that the whole nest blew away. I'm wondering if there's any more out. I don't know what to do for them. Guys, no. No. Maybe if they stay together, they can stay warm maybe? I have no idea. I don't know what to do for them. So I found two baby birds earlier this morning. Actually, Bentley, my dog, found them. And I had remembered we had an old nest in the gooseneck hitch of our horse trailer. And so I put the nest in a tree where some birds were flying around, where it almost looked like maybe the mom or dad trying to protect the birds that fell out of the nest. So I put the nest in a tree and then the two babies in it. And then I had some things to do this morning, and I am back now and I'm gonna check on the little babies, and I hear them, so hopefully they're still in there. I don't see any birds flying around here, but let's check on them. So there is one. Still in there. And then this one is out. I have no idea what to do with these things. I don't know if they are trying to fly. But my cats are going to eat it, so we're gonna have to put them somewhere. So there was two nests up here. This is where I took one of them from, and there's nothing in here. So I think I'm gonna take this second nest and place the bird that's on the ground in this nest next to the other one, and maybe they'll survive. So I moved the birds away from the house. That way, if they do happen to come back out of the nest, which I feel like they are going to, hopefully the cats do not find them. They're not incredibly far from the house, but hopefully this is far enough that they can stay safe and have a fighting chance. I placed them both in a nest together, and they're in that tree that Bentley is looking up. They're in that tree. Elvis. Elvis loves little birds. He doesn't eat them. He protects them and thinks that they're his baby. So hopefully the parents can feed them and get them on their way, and then we'll see them flying around. But I haven't fed them. I just put them in a nest and letting nature do its thing. So hopefully they survive.